Welcome to the Quartet Mattress training video. The following video outlines information from the Quartet User's Manual. The Quartet provides multiple therapy options in a single mattress designed to meet the individual needs of a wide range of patients. All Quartet models provide low air loss, auto immersion, and pulsation therapies. The standard model also includes alternating pressure. Other models provide continuous lateral rotation and turn assist modes, both of which are discussed at the end of this video. The Quartet is intended to be used in the following clinical applications: high-risk patients requiring aggressive wound prevention, stage 1 through 4 pressure injuries, acute surgical wounds, flaps and grafts, burns, and excessive maceration. The standard Quartet mattress is used for patients up to 500 pounds. The bariatric version is designed for patients up to 1,000 pounds. The Quartet is available in standard, bariatric, expandable, and recessed deck configurations. The Quartet is constructed with a 2-inch air pad base to prevent bottoming out should the controller be inadvertently turned off or the battery becomes depleted. The next layer is an array of sensors built in to monitor the patient's position and weight distribution. Next, there are multiple inflatable air cells, which provide patient support and therapy options. And last, the coverlet includes vapor permeable, antimicrobial, low friction, low shear nylon. Now we will discuss the setup for each therapy on the standard mattress. The low air loss therapy is automatically activated when the mattress is turned on and is used in combination with any of the other 3 therapies on the Quartet. The low air loss design redistributes pressure while allowing air from the blower to escape at a controlled rate through small openings in the mattress surface. This airflow, in combination with the friction-reducing mattress cover, wicks away excess moisture and heat without drying the skin. Auto immersion therapy utilizes Quartet's array of sensors to adjust the surface to the unique anatomical features of each patient, providing air fluidized immersion. To activate auto immersion, place a patient on the mattress and press the auto immersion button. The mattress will calibrate to the patient by first raising the pressure level, then slowly reducing the pressure as it immerses the patient and stores the patient's calibration information. The display on the controller will read "Checking status of patient on bed." Once the calibration is complete, the screen will read "Patient detected, calibration valid." If auto immersion is selected without a patient on the bed, auto immersion will detect that the bed is empty and will return to its previous settings. Once calibrated, the intelligent auto immersion software will continuously monitor the patient and adjust to their changing positions. If additional adjustment is needed for patient comfort in the auto immersion mode, press and hold the auto immersion button. Use the adjustment setting arrows to select more immersion to soften the mattress, or less immersion for a firmer mattress. The third therapy is pulsation mode, where the pressure in each air cell will be increased for 30 seconds and then decreased to the prior pressure setting for the selected interval time of 1 to 99 minutes. This cycle will continue as long as pulsation is enabled. To initiate the pulsation mode, press the select button until the display shows pulse. Use the adjust settings arrows to select the desired pulsation interval time. The final therapy on the standard Quartet mattress is alternating pressure. In this mode, every other air cell will alternate between inflation and deflation to constantly change pressure points and promote circulation. To select alternating pressure, press the AP button. Then use the adjust settings arrows to select the desired alternating pressure time from as little as 1 minute to as much as 99 minutes. To adjust the alternating pressure high-low and fast-low pressures, press and hold the AP button until the AP screen appears. Use the adjust settings button to set the low pressure. Use the comfort control buttons to set the high pressure. Use the Select button to select between a fast or slow transition time. Then press the Auto Immersion button when you've completed your selections to return to the main menu. In addition to the 4 therapies just described, there are several additional features of the Quartet mattress that can be utilized to meet the specific needs for your patients and staff that will be covered next. The heel zone is identified as the last 4 air cells of the mattress. The heel zone pressure can be adjusted independently from the rest of the mattress zones to further reduce pressure on the heels. To achieve this, turn the heel knob located under a flap at the left side of the foot of the bed. Setting 1 provides the firmest support, which will match the pressure of the overall mattress. Setting 2, 3, and 4 will further reduce the pressure setting on the heels. To deflate the mattress for CPR, first turn the red CPR valve located at the foot end of the mattress to open. This will allow the air to escape and the mattress to deflate. Then turn off the control unit. The Quartet mattress systems are also available in expandable versions. The standard version can be extended in length, while the bariatric version can be expanded in both length and width. The length expansion valve is located at the foot end of the mattress for both the standard and bariatric versions. There are 2 variations of the valve selector shown here. For purposes of this training, we will demonstrate only one. To extend the mattress length, rotate the valve selector to the appropriate position. 1 for 80 inches in length, 2 for 84 inches. This will inflate 1 additional air cell at the foot of the bed, and 3 for 88 inches, where 2 additional air cells are inflated at the foot of the bed. To deflate the expansion bladders, rotate the valve to position 4 or return to the first position. The width expansion valve on the bariatric version is also located at the foot end of the mattress. There are 2 variations of the valve selector shown here. For purposes of this training, we will demonstrate only one. To extend the mattress width, rotate the valve selector to the appropriate position. 1 for 36 inches, 2 for 42 inches. This will expand 1 air cell along the full length of the surface on both sides. And 3 for 48 inches, to expand 2 air cells along the full length of the surface on both sides. To deflate the expansion bladders, rotate the valve to position 4 or return to the first position. When expanding or contracting the expandable Quartet mattress system, please tighten or loosen the mattress straps to ensure the mattress is strapped securely to the bed frame. The Max Inflate mode is used to rapidly inflate the mattress. Press the Max Inflate button until the blue LED turns on. The entire mattress will be pressurized to 35 millimeters of mercury. During this mode, a series of beeps will sound every 3 minutes as a reminder that Max Inflate mode has been activated. To deactivate, press the Max Inflate button and the blue LED will turn off, or the Max Inflate will automatically deactivate after 15 minutes. If a patient is in an upright position with the bed frame articulated to 35 degrees or higher, the Quartet should be placed into the Fowler mode. The unit will maintain 80% more pressure than the set pressure in the center of the mattress in order to keep the patient supported without the risk of bottoming out. To select this mode, press the Select button until Fowler is displayed. Please note, if a patient has been calibrated in auto immersion mode, selection of the Fowler mode is unnecessary since the intelligent auto immersion software will make the appropriate adjustments to prevent a patient from bottoming out in the upright position. The control unit functions, including the power switch, can be completely locked out to prevent tampering of settings by simply pressing and holding the lock button until the LED is illuminated. This will take approximately 5 seconds. To deactivate, simply press and hold the lock button until the LED turns off. Please note, the Max Inflate mode is still functional in the lockout mode. In addition to the features previously discussed, the Quartet also has built-in alarms to alert you when there is an issue requiring your attention. The bed exit alarm is an optional alarm which is usually used for patients at risk of falls. To enable this alarm, first ensure the auto immersion has been calibrated to the patient. The bed exit alarm will not function unless the auto immersion has been calibrated. Second, press and hold the alarm silence button. When the bed exit alarm screen appears, use the alarm silence button to move between on and off. Once you've selected the on setting, press select to return to the main screen. The bed will now alarm if it senses a patient has gotten out of bed. The power fail alarm will activate when the power cord is unplugged and the batteries have been depleted. In this event, the caregiver will be alerted by a flashing amber power fail LED and an audible alarm. Once power is restored, the flashing light will stop and the display will revert to normal. Please note, the Quartet mattress is designed to be run on AC power and should be plugged in whenever possible. The dual battery will provide between 2 and 8 hours of backup power dependent on the settings being utilized. The battery symbol will provide an indication of the amount of charge remaining. In the event of a hose disconnection, the caregiver will be alerted by a flashing low pressure on the control display. Once the connection is restored, the alarm will cease and the unit will resume operating at its previously set mode. If at any time you need to mute the alarms, simply press the alarm silence button. This will remain muted for 10 minutes or until the alarm silence button is pressed again to cancel the alarm silence. The advanced technology of the Quartet mattress provides a range of therapy options to meet your patient's individual needs in one easy-to-use mattress. Thank you for your time. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have questions or need assistance, please refer to the Quartet User's Manual or contact Agility using our 1-800 number or visiting us online.